Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious curry rice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of short grain rice, 1 block of Japanese curry roux, and your choice of protein, like 1 pound of chicken or beef. Don't forget vegetables such as 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 medium potatoes. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple dish is a comforting meal for any day. Now let's get that rice perfect. Rinse about 2 cups of short grain rice several times until the water is clear, removing excess starch. Then, combine the rinsed rice with 2 1/2 cups of water in a rice cooker or a heavy-bottomed pot. Cook according to your appliance's instructions, or bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer for about 18 minutes. Let it rest for 10 minutes after cooking before fluffing gently. Next, we'll create the rich curry sauce. In a large pot, sauté your diced onions, carrots, and potatoes for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Add your 1 pound of chicken or beef, browning it thoroughly. Pour in approximately 4 cups of water, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Finally, stir in 1 block of curry roux until it completely dissolves and the sauce thickens beautifully. And now for the best part, serving your delicious curry rice. Place a mound of your perfectly cooked, fluffy rice on one side of a plate. Then generously ladle the warm, thick curry sauce, complete with tender meat and vegetables, right next to or over the rice. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a bit of pickled ginger or a sprinkle of fresh green onions. Enjoy this wonderfully comforting and flavorful homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.